Hello guys, another day in the farm and let's have breakfast. Okay, and I will show you how cowboy we are for today's video. Okay, I will show you what's my breakfast for today. Okay, so this is our breakfast for today's video. See, so I have to show you. I don't know if you know to do this, but yes, please, and a piece of advice, don't do this at home if you haven't tried it. It's because it's not safe. So usually you all guys use can opener, but here we don't have that, or I don't have that. So what I'm going to do is I will going to open using this. Okay, all right. Again, don't do this at home. Let us check. So let's be cowboy. See? This is sardines, guys. You have to be very careful because you might stab your fingers. And just open it and look our sardines. And I have this. Okay, I have this fish. So according to the fortune teller, you should you should transfer immediately once you open the can, because I don't know if it is correct or true that it might be contaminated with the lid, the reaction of the lid inside this, but I don't know. But yeah, so let's eat. And I have my egg here. No, not my egg, it's chicken egg. Yes, so yes, that's our today's breakfast. So I want you to be with me and let's have breakfast together. Breakfast in the farm, not breakfast in the bed. But I have these pimples, and they said when you have pimples, you're in love. I don't know, but yes, first of all, we are going to the sauce, and open your mouth. Yummy delicious, so delicious sardines. Open your mouth, baby. Just kidding. Love it. Today is rainy day. So sad. But yeah. So let's eat more and more. Yummy delicious, so delicious. Guys, lame, lame, something like that. It is meaning, that is a Bisaya word, meaning yummy or delicious. Lame, something like that. Everybody lame. Lame kaayo, ibig sabihin, so yummy. You hear the birds? You know, I have a story to tell. There was a time that there are other farmer who passed here, and he don't know that I do filming in the rubber farm. He asked me is if I have somebody with me or who I've talked to, because he heard people talking, and yeah, of course he know that I am alone here. And then he asked me, "Who's with you?" No, I'm just alone there. No, I heard someone talking, and I said, "Oh, who's that?" And he just left. I know what he's in my on his mind. Maybe he found things weird, like weird, because who's other person here? All he know is I'm the only one here. What he think of me? Something like that. He don't know that I do vlogging. Diba? So yeah. Sometimes I am like Lucarit here. You know? Round, round, round in your ears. Because I talk alone. Of course, I'm filming. That's why sometimes my videos, I'm not talking whenever I know that there is somebody around. Because maybe they are just looking at me and they are not aware what I'm doing. So yes, let's eat and eat more. Okay. Bye for now. And just finish this. Tiwason sa na ako nagkaon. Finish eating. Tiwas eating. Kaon. Eat. Kaon. T. Like ka-on. Kaon. Eat. Tiwas finish. Tiwas. 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 So finish. So that's it for today's video. Bye.